Bafowethu, the day we've been waiting for has finally arrived. Silisa Sakuseni, Monday, the 13th of October 2025. Usuku olumlando kakhulu eNingizimu Africa. A new radio station is going live with myself, Ed Benedict Ngwenya, Inquisitive Stereo. So listen to something new, fresh, and riveting. A breakfast with eggs taking place between 6 and 10. And of course, we're going to be discussing some interesting issues. So, sport, if you're on TikTok, the link is on my bio, right? Because Steve Kombelo watch what in a crowded mind, it's difficult to choose a proper thought. Maybe that means that the link is on my bio. What's nice about this link, which I'm also going to share on Facebook and X, is the fact that if you send a voice note to WhatsApp, if you want to do something like sending a voice note or listening to a voice note, the link carries on playing in the background. Most of the voice note here tool. Once you send the voice note, link yakwenza njani iyaqhubeka iyadlala ngemuva background. Uyakwazi ukuconnecta ku Bluetooth udlala emontweni, uyakwazi ukuthi mangabe ukwi-call ime uqhubeke ne-call yakho mawuqeda i-call ibuye futhi idlale. Yabo? That's fantastic, isn't it? Yeah, so make sure ukuthi uyayizama njengamanje le link. Into okumele uyenze, phuthuma njengamanje kwi-bio yami ku-TikTok, uhambe njengamanje kule link le ngiyisharile la ku-Facebook ufike ulalele, and then bese uhamba uyolalele voice note yakho ku-WhatsApp. Le link le iyakwazi ukuhlonipha. Yabo mawulalela voice note ku-WhatsApp iyehla kancane. Yabo. Mawusenda voice note iyathula ukuze voice note yakho isende kahle. Mawuqeda usenda voice note bese iyaqhubeka iyadlala. Wow, that's fantastic, eh? So phuthuma ke ufike ulalele bese yakutshela ukuthi uzwana njengamanje.